Did you know England's most famous king barely lived in England? Richard the Lionheart spent only 6 months of his 10-year reign in his own kingdom. The moment Richard became king, he treated England like his personal piggy bank. He sold royal lands, castles, and even government jobs to anyone with gold. He famously said he would sell London itself if he could find a buyer. Why? He was obsessed with crusading in the Holy Land. But Richard's adventure turned into a nightmare. On his way home from the Third Crusade, he was captured by Leopold of Austria. The ransom? 150,000 marks. Enough to bankrupt England completely. His desperate mother, Eleanor, had to squeeze every penny from the kingdom to free her son. Churches melted down their silver. Nobles sold their lands. The entire country bled gold to save their absent king. Did Richard learn his lesson? Not at all. He spent his remaining years fighting in France, never returning to England. He died from a crossbow wound while attacking a tiny castle, chasing rumors of buried treasure. The king England worshipped had abandoned them completely.